Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the ninth question of database management system. So let's see the question. This is the question set 9. In here, there's a business called Max Mobile, and the owner of this company uses a computer software, and we have to create the database. And this is also like the 8th question. So I have already created the database and the tables, so I'm not going to discuss the first, second and third question because I have already discussed them in the 8th video, in my previous video. So I'm going to discuss from 4th question. So first let's see the database I have already created. This is the database I have already created in my previous video, and this is the table, customer table. Here's the customer table and here's the product table. And let's discuss the 4th question. In the 4th question, find a mobile phone whose brand is Huawei and the price less than 40,000. In here I have to write a query. And the brand is Huawei and the price should less than the 40,000, and this is the condition, and I'm going to write the query. In here I'm going to write the query. Here's the query for the 4th question. In here I have write two conditions like brand name equals Huawei and the price is less than 40,000. These are the two conditions, and I'm going to execute this query. And here's the result, and here's the brand name is Huawei and the price is less than 40,000. So this is the 4th question, and I'm going to discuss the 5th question. In here, look for customers whose gender is female. In here I have to get the results of the customers whose gender is female. Let's write the query. In here I have to search in the customer table, and the condition is the gender equals to female. Let's write the query. This is the query for 5th question, and I have write the query as to find all from mshop.customer. Mshop means my database and the customer means the table, and the condition is gender equals female, and this is the query, and I'm going to execute this query. And you can see there are two females in our customer table, and they are Kalpani and Kalpana. So Kalpana, these are the results for the 5th question. And now I'm going to discuss the last question. In here, find the details of the product whose brand is Vivo. I have to find the details of the product, and the condition is the brand equals Vivo. And let's see the query. This is the query for the last question, 6th question. In here, the condition is the brand name equals Vivo. And I'm going to execute this query, and you can see there are 3 products whose brand equals Vivo. These are the results for this query. And today I have discussed the 9th question, and thank you everyone for listening.